Hey guys and girls, in this video I'll show you how to cancel your Grindr subscription. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, there's a few different ways. I'm going to go via the iOS and then Android and then via website and the app as well. So the first way is using the iOS. So open up Grindr on your iPhone and then tap on your profile icon, top left hand corner. Tap on the gear settings in the top right corner, and then from there you want to see something that looks like subscriptions, and then follow the prompts to cancel your subscription through your Apple ID settings. And now if you're on an Android device, what you need to do is head over to your Play Store, and then you'll be brought to the home page here. Click on your user profile, top right hand corner, click on payments and subscriptions, click on subscriptions, and then your Grindr subscription, your active Grindr subscription will be here. So click on to it to cancel. And now on the Grindr website, so head on over to the Grindr website, make sure to log in. And then once you're logged in, click on your profile picture on the top right hand corner and select account. Find subscriptions and then click on cancel button next to your current subscription and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. So by following these steps, you should be able to successfully cancel your Grindr subscription on any of these platforms.